Thank you for trusting HFD for all of your dental needs. We hope you had an extraordinary visit, and now that your treatment is complete, I'm going to go over some post-op instructions with you. Now that we have taken that tooth out, there are a couple factors for you to remember in order to prevent getting a dry socket. The main thing is to not smoke. Usually 3 to 4 days without smoking is best. Longer than that, of course, is recommended. Smoking can constrict your blood vessels and pull that clot out and cause the dry socket, which is very painful. Also, no drinking out of a straw for 3 to 4 days. No spitting. If you feel like you need to spit, you can lean over the sink and kind of let it come out, but don't spit it out. Keep gauze packed there. Keep good firm pressure on it until that bleeding stops. If you do get home and the bleeding is not subsiding and it's been an hour or so, you can sometimes put a tea bag on that spot and it'll help the bleeding stop as well. If you have any other questions about it, of course, just call our office. Another thing is to start warm saltwater rinses 48 hours after the extraction. No sooner than that, just because it's a little too new for salt water to be in there. Before the numbness wears off, make sure to take the appropriate pain medication, whether we prescribed it for you or it's over the counter, before that numbness wears off so that you beat any pain that you may have.
We hope your dental experience today with us was extraordinary. We are always looking to improve our customer care at Higginbotham Family Dental. Please leave us a review on Facebook, Google, or Yelp. As our cherished patient, we want to ask you to refer your family and friends to our practice. As a thank you, we'll give you a $50 credit towards any treatment you may need at any of our locations, and your families and friends will receive $25 off their first visit. Thank you again for choosing to be a part of the HFD family.